Today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is Mother Arrested After Passing Out in the Road with a 6-year-old. Now that's crazy.
This mother fell asleep drunk in the middle of the road with her kid in the car.
Come on, sweetheart. Hey, come on.
Yes.
Okay, what's going on then?
Boy, ain't nobody going on.
Where your car at?
Nobody just going to sleep.
Sleep?
Officers with the West Palm Beach Police Department received numerous calls, reporting a car stopped in the middle of the road. Bystanders stated that the person in the driver's seat appeared to be slumped over and unresponsive.
Ma'am. Huh? Hello? Ma'am. Yo.
5-8 Charlie, Echo, Quebec Charlie.
Can she come?
Trying to girl.
Try to open the other side.
12-15, myself and 12-17,
Speak English?
Yes.
Okay, what's going on then?
Boy, ain't nobody going on. Nobody just going to sleep. That's it.
Sleep?
Yes.
Hey, sweetheart.
Hey,
Come here, sweetheart.
can you do me a favor? Can you?
Okay, how much had to drink tonight?
Huh?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Nothing. I just went to sleep.
In the car?
Literally.
With your child in the back seat?
You see his green sleep?
Your child in the back seat?
No, I went to go pick her up from my grandma.
All right, take your hands out of your pockets. All right. How much had to drink today?
Don't be scared.
Hmm?
Don't be scared of me.
How old's your daughter?
5.
I'm gonna give you a blanket, okay? Here's your blankie. Give her a blanket.
There's no accident.
Bless you. No.
He told me to come check on the kid.
Yeah, you can check the kid too, also.
Might as well.
5.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much have you had to drink today? Take your hands out of your pockets. I know it's cold. Take your hands out of your pockets. How much have you had to drink today?
I haven't really had a drink at all.
Your eyes. Okay. Your eyes are slurring.
You can drink to me.
I can
tonight.
drink to you tonight?
Yeah. It doesn't even matter. Like, to be honest, you're asking me if I had too much to drink, and I haven't.
Oh, hands out of your pockets. Hands out of your pockets, all right?
Alright. I'm not.
I'm gonna check your sobriety, all right? Huh?
I'm not nobody to, like, even check nothing. You feel me?
Did you advise there was a kid in the car?
I'm not the right person.
Yes, there's a kid in the car. I'm about to perform a 2-1 investigation. All right. All right, so I'm gonna check your eyes, all right?
You need to get him out or her out as fast as possible. We got a possible signal one in that car.
All right.
She's in the back.
All right, so I'm gonna check your eyes, all right?
Yeah.
I need you to follow this pen, all right? Tip of this pen with your eyes and your eyes only. You understand? Can you keep your hands in your pockets?
I'm not that person.
All right. All right. You understand?
Yeah.
All right.
Secure in the back.
Where are your keys at?
They're with the car.
Okay. All right. Follow this. We're gonna go left and right. All right. It's gonna be with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay. What's your name?
I'm not. So
What's your name? What's your name?
Sochi what?
Stop. What's your name? What is your name?
Sochi what?
Huh?
Sochi what?
Soshi? Okay.
Yes.
What's your daughter's name? Check your eyes and your eyes only, all right?
Yeah.
You need to follow this, okay? You can't move your head. Your head cannot sway, all right? You have to take your hands. Okay, good. All right. All right? Follow me, okay? Ready? Go. Just a tip. Does that light bother you at all? So we can do it without the light.
Without.
Okay, we'll do it without the light, all right?
Oh, it's okay. Because I don't want you guys to get.
It's fine, all right? It's fine. Okay? All right. So you see this, dang, it's just too loud, bro. Let's go over here. Follow me over here, all right? So you see this line on the ground, right? You have to keep your hands in your pockets, all right? All right, thank you. I understand it's cold and everything like that, but I need you to have your hands in your pocket, all right? All right. So you see this white line, right? Okay. So I want you to take this position, right? You see my hands? All right. Put them by your side like this, okay? So stay like that, all right? You're gonna put your left foot over your right foot, like so, okay? No, wait, hold on, wait. Follow me, right? Follow me. You put your left foot over your right foot like so, right? No, don't start yet, all right? Just watch me, okay? Just all you have to say is yes, I understand, all right?
Yes.
All right. So you're gonna put your left foot over your right foot, all right? You're still doing it. You're still doing it, all right? You're starting when I'm not instructing you to start, all right? Stay, hands by your side. Hands by your side. All right, stay like that, okay? Stay like that. Don't follow me yet, all right? So stay like that. Watch my feet, all right? So with your left foot over your right foot, right? Okay? You're gonna count out loud. It's gonna be 9 heel-toe steps, right? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, just focus on me, all right? So, with your
Before we even continue with this, don't the cops normally ask, would you like to participate in field sobriety tests? Did I miss that part? Like, even with the tip of the pen, did I miss where he said, would you like to participate? And then they say either yes or no. I mean, I'm assuming, listen, A Matter of Crime, they had good body cam channel, so I'm assuming they just edited that part out and she did consent to it. But from me just watching, I would be like, are they just making her do this? Or did she say she would like to participate? That's the one thing that's coming to my mind. I mean, her being passed out in the middle of the road is literally insane. Like, grandma couldn't watch her for the rest of the night. Like, you're off your rocker. Like, y'all was passed out. Like, the daughter, of course, is late at night, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Look, it's 0:55, so that's 12. It's 12:55 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? So that child shouldn't even be out this late at night. Point blank, period. You know what I mean? And man, I mean, I get it. You know, mama got to get her groove back. You know what I'm saying? Dealing with the child, the baby all the time. You know, mama want to step out every now and then. I understand it. But this is unacceptable.
left foot, right? You're gonna take your left foot off the line, right?
This is my left foot. Start. Right. Start. Right. Start. Right.
Failed miserably.
Hands to your side. Hands to your side. To your side.
Okay.
All right. Hands to your side. Hands out of your pockets. To your side. To your side. All right, like this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. So you gotta put your left foot over your right foot.
You're not
Left
97, you
over
can
right.
Stated that they were splitting up and requesting units for healing.
No, you're good. You can stop now. All right. Where's your phone at?
In the car.
All right. Just give me a second, all right? All right. So this next exercise is called the one-legged stand. All right. You know what that means? So you're gonna take any foot. You gotta take your hands out of your pockets, my friend.
I understand, Bobby, but I mean, I'm not trying to be.
I'm not your poppy, all right? You gotta keep your hands by your side. It's fine. I understand.
I'm not trying to keep nothing from you.
It's okay.
But
All right.
at the same time, I don't have nothing from you guys that I want to evade.
Okay, that's cool. All right, let's focus on the task at hand, all right? You're gonna take any foot that you would like, all right? Do you have any medical problems on your knees, anything of the sort? No? Wait, you started. I didn't say start yet. Just wait, all right? Do you understand what I explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. All right. With that being said, you may begin.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You gotta put your hands by your sides.
9, 10.
You gotta start over.
11.
All right, hands by your side the entire time like so. All right, go ahead.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
You gotta point fingers? All right, cool. So, All right, you're gonna lean back, right? Lean back. Okay, cool. Straighten your hands out. Okay, now just look at me, all right? When I say left, you're gonna take your finger, point like this, and touch your nose with your left hand, right? Don't start, just show me. Let's watch, all right? Then again, when I say right, you're gonna take your finger, right, and touch your nose. You gotta look at me. You gotta look at me. Yeah, touch your nose like so. No, put your fingers straight, both hands out, point, like this. Okay, you gotta put your thumbs in. You gotta put your thumbs in. You gotta put your thumbs in. All right, lean like this. All right, close your eyes. All right, right. Ready? Left. I'm not gonna tell you to bring your hand down, right?
Okay.
Right. Right. Left. Left. Right. Right.
Wait, isn't she supposed to be touching her nose? Hold on. Let me run it back. I'm about to practice this exercise.
Lean back. Okay, cool. Straighten your hands out. Okay, now just look at me, all right? When I say left, you're gonna take your finger, point like this, and touch your nose with your left hand, right? Don't start.
That's what I thought. I thought it was her nose. That's what I thought. All right, let's practice. Cause I'm sober. So let's see. Right? He said, you put it out like this. And then with your eyes closed, left. Oh, damn. Right? Left. Left. Ooh, this lit. Right? Ooh. Left. Oh, yeah, she's supposed to be able to do that. Oh, yeah, that's lit. Okay. Yeah, she way off. Failed. Instantly. Failed.
Hey. Open your eyes. All right, unfortunately.
Take her to jail.
For DUI.
Put your child in danger.
You're under the influence of alcohol.
Why?
Because you're driving drunk.
I'm not driving drunk.
Give me your hand, all right?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm driving not drunk. Literally.
Okay.
You're bombed.
Different real quick.
No, sir, I don't want to be, like, disrespectful at all. You feel me? I don't want to be disrespectful at all.
Yeah, that's fine.
At all. You feel me? And that's the reason. Like, I love my baby.
All right. Do you have anything in your person?
No, I don't.
All right.
For what, though?
Driving under influence of alcohol. With a child in the vehicle.
But I'm not.
You were asleep behind the wheel of the vehicle.
No, I'm not.
You were. I had to take you out the car.
No, I'm not.
What's wrong?
Literally, I'm not. Can you call my dad?
Yes, we're going to call your dad. All right?
Can you call my mom?
Yes, I'm going to call your mom. Have a seat.
I didn't even commit a crime.
Have a seat. Can you sit down, please?
Yes, but I didn't really commit a crime.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. It's a very serious crime. All right? Have a seat.
How?
You drove. You can't forget that you drove under influence of alcohol. All right? I'm sorry.
Didn't.
You seem like a great person, but just put your feet in.
No, but listen.
All right, I'll listen if you put your feet in. Can you put your feet in?
I didn't.
Can you put your feet in?
I'm gonna put my foot in.
Yes.
But I didn't put in my right intentions, so like.
That made sense to you, but it didn't make sense to me. Can you sit down, please? We're in the middle of a ride. I'm gonna get hit by a car. Can we
No.
put your feet in?
I understand, sir.
The woman was charged with child endangerment, as well as driving under the influence. Her driving privileges were revoked for 4 months, and she was required to complete DUI programs in addition to paying a fine.
I mean, 4 months ain't bad. you know, a lot of times with DUIs, I mean, they get it revoked for at least a year. So, you know, at least you got to pay a hefty fine and everything. 4 months, that ain't bad. That is not bad. But yeah, man, that was crazy. I like that little exercise. Yo, I hope you tried it too. But that was yeah, I think the officer did a great job, especially, you know, a black man's kryptonite is a Latina, man. So I know my boy was really struggling, you know what I'm saying? Keep it professional, especially when she was talking that poppy, I like how he nipped it in the butt. He said, I am not your poppy. But hey, if he was off the clock, he would be like, oh, what's good, baby? You know what I'm saying? But you got to keep it professional. You know what I'm saying? He did a great job, man. So I'm saying a 4 out of 5. She definitely put her kid in harm's way. That was insane. Passed out in the middle of the street is literally insane. So anyway, let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.